It appears the YouTube community has decided to nominate me to be the expert when it comes to killing fleas. Based on the popularity of my will vinegar spray kill fleas and the salt kill fleas video, it has gone semi-viral. What's up guys, welcome back to J Rule Productions. So today I am going to finally review the Fleabuster, which I used back in November of 2016 when I had that huge flea infestation issue. And here are all the products that I've used, ranging from the salt vinegar spray that you see right there, to the trifexas, to the glue boards. You can see right there, there's still fleas trapped in it. Fortunately, they're all dead. And this fly right here just happened to get trapped. I guess it does attract it. And also pet flea shampoos. And also this Vet's organic spray along with diatomaceous earth. And this home defense along with some electronic traps, light traps. And also, thanks to the help of the iLife robot vacuum and also the Vapormore steam vacuum. Unfortunately guys, I've thrown away the container. I no longer have it. So what I'm going to do now is show you on how to use it along with an application that I used last year, and then we're going to get to the final assessment and review. What's up guys? So I'm going to do a quick review of this Fleabusters RX for fleas. I read many great reviews on Amazon, so I'm trying it out on my master and guest bedroom. I just finished with the master and guest. This wasn't cheap at all, but I read many great reviews, so I was curious and decided to give it a try because I'm very desperate. So here I just recently cleaned out, swept it in. So basically what you do is spread this at a rate of, I believe it says at a rate of 300 square feet, 1 pound with 300 square feet, whatever that calculates to. Basically you just spread it on the hardwood floor or on the carpet like this. And then sweep it in to fill in all the gaps. So I just had a little bit remaining left, so I figured I might as well make a video review of this. Here's how you do it. Spread this evenly all over the carpet. Now I don't know if this is poisonous for pets, but it doesn't mention any warning. But of course, I wouldn't let them lick around the carpet or throw any food on it after at least 24 hours of application. And of course, keep away from kids too. And as with all chemicals, it might cause skin irritation. And if you get poisoned, make sure you seek professional help. So now what I'm gonna do is just sweep it in. Sorry, I'm just not in the mood of putting on a tripod and making a better review because I've been lacking sleep for the last couple of days. I'm very desperate. I'm pretty pissed off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep you guys updated if this is effective or not. My other method is to use salts that I purchased from Walmart. What I'm planning on doing is washing the carpet with warm water with the soapy, adding some vinegar in there, and then spreading the salt after I'm done. So wish me luck guys. Surprisingly, this doesn't have a strong chemical smell to it. It kind of reminds me of a toned down baking powder or detergent without the scentedness. It kind of has like a slight acidic, lemony smell to it. Of course, don't sniff it if I were you. Just to give you an idea of what I covered with that whole 3 pound. Is my master bedroom. Yes, I even included underneath the bed. I had to lift up a mattress. All this area that you see, square footage, basically almost the whole thing. And the guest bedroom. Of course, underneath the mattress too. It's a very nice sized room right here. and this walkway which connects the two bedrooms, and I had enough, and I covered all these stairs, which I'm gonna sweep right now. So I still have some left. Let's go see how much I have. I'll probably just save it in case I need it again. Yeah, just a little bit right here. Now that we've seen the application and how to use it, basically a container of that, according to directions, it covers 5 rooms. Maybe I used a little bit too much. You know, since I had infestation, I just want to make sure I kill it at the source. So if you look at the ingredients of the Fleabuster, it says it contains boric acid. So what is boric acid? It's basically a weak monobasic compound used for applications such as antiseptic, insecticides, and also flame retardant. So if you think about that, I mean, is that something you really want to breathe? Breathe through it, considering you know, it's going to be spread through your carpet and you guys going to inhale it, whether it be living room or bedroom. And one gripe about that is that it gets all over the place, makes everything super dusty. As I was saying, it makes everything super dusty. See the floorboards? And also even the doors. I wiped it a couple of times too. Even if you wipe it down with a wet towel, it still comes back. I mean, it makes my whole house look super dusty. So that's one of my complaints. And also, you know, boric acid, it's really anything acidic sounds harmful to the body. And it is pretty much overpriced, guys. So my final assessment, I feel that it's not the best product available. I mean, if you think about it, what if I buy like a bag of diatomaceous earth, right? That's very cheap in itself. A bag like this, maybe like $10. You know, you could use it for throughout the whole house, and it's even a food grade. But there are 2 different grades. You know, one being lower quality, you know, such used for bugs. The other one being a food grade. You mix that maybe with some salt. That's the cheapest right there, and it might be even better than the Fleabusters. So my recommendation for anybody dealing with a flea infestation is to treat it at its source, right? Make sure you treat your pet first, whether it be Trifexis or Comfortis, and even use some of these shampoos, flea and tick shampoo, and then maybe use a combination of salt, that being super cheap, and also vinegar, whether it be apple cider vinegar mixed up with some soap and water spray. And you have all the options that I listed. So Fleabusters, I probably don't recommend it, guys, but judging on other people's remarks, it seemed to work for them. But personally, unfortunately, I wasn't able to, you know, trap a flea and test it out like I did with vinegar spray and salt and diatomaceous earth. But then again, I spread it throughout the room, you know, and then I still saw fleas. I still dealt with fleas, and that's when I decided to use all these other products. So on a scale of 100%, I think I'm gonna hook up the Fleabuster with a 70%. Pretty much underwhelming. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the review. Make sure you check out my other videos on how to kill fleas, and hope you guys will win the war like I did, because I haven't seen any fleas, any signs of fleas for over 5 months. I believe I finally won the war. I wish you guys the best of luck. If you happen to like this video, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe for more exciting food and product reviews. Take care of yourselves.